Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the Pine script in TradingView mobile application in 2026. Now, in order to do it, first of all, you need to launch your TradingView application on your phone. Then you can either just simply look for or launch any of the charts in front of you, or you can also tap on the option of chart in order to launch the chart over here. Now when the chart is opened in front of you, you just have to simply tap on these three dots in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now when you tap on the three dots on the bottom right hand corner of the screen, you are going to see a bunch of different options over here. So among these options, you just have to scroll down until you find this Pine editor option. So when you're able to find it, you just have to simply tap on it. Now when you do this, you will be landed here on this particular page where you just have to do nothing but to just simply select or cross all of the scripts that are available over here, and now you just have to simply provide your own script here. So if you already have a script, you just have to simply long press on it and then paste it over here and then tap on the option of save. You need to also give this script a name, and this way you will be able to add the Pine script in TradingView in your application. So that's how you can do it. Thank you.